Okay, so if we looked at number 1, okay, our steps are always going to be the same on this particular type of problem and on most multi-steps. Okay, so you're going to combine your like terms. Okay, and then step 2 would be to add or subtract the kid. Okay, so you're going to add or subtract that kid. Why don't you move a step seat back so you're not talking about her back?
Oh my gosh, I don't have corona.
I know that, but like it's still makes you nervous. You're making a sweat.
I'm not. Dude, I'm telling you.
I don't think you have corona, but
just go off and
still.
start running out of nowhere.
Okay, and then your last step is going to be to divide. Okay, so those are going to be your same steps for almost all of these types of problems. Okay, so if we were looking at number 1, we can combine our like terms. Okay, and we can combine this 14 and this 2. You guys are not moving these around. So you do not say minus 2 and then put it over under the 14. Okay, you're just straight up putting them together. And you use the sign in front of it. Okay, so in this case, what type of 2 is this? It's a positive 2. So we got a positive 2 and a positive 14. So if you were using a calculator, you would just say straight up plus 2 plus 14. Okay, you know, I'll pop 16x plus 14 equals negative 34. Okay, if you're following the steps, what's step 2 says add or subtract the kid. So you're going to subtract 14, subtract 14. 16x equals negative 48. Okay, so far we've done 2 steps. Our first step was to combine. Our second step was to add or subtract the thing. And then our third step is going to be to divide. I'm sorry, is this like inconveniencing you guys?
Yeah.
Let me try to...
That was a lot more taller.
Well, I needed it taller because of the glare. What if I only do the even size sheet? What about that? Now is that blocking you? See, if I pull it back, it's too far.
Could you make it shorter?
I can, but then there's a huge glare from the lights. Oh my god, you're such a jumping. Can you still see or not?
That was very.
No, can't see it all.
You can see? What about?
That's so A, bro.
You have to tell me when to stop. Okay.
That was a very unpleasant noise.
You be quiet back there. You be quiet up here. Okay, and then our last step is going to be to divide. So divide by 16. X equals what?
-3.
Huh?
Negative.
-3.
This is easy.
Yeah, it should be. Okay, if you look at 4, I'm going to try to do this even ones since it's saying. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, honey.
Abdul, can you grab me one?
Please.
Please.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
You be quiet back there. Okay, look at 4. What can we combine?
Thanks for
The -7 and 9.
The -7 and the 9 to give us 2b equals -6. Okay, and then step 2 says add or subtract the kid. Do we have a kid to add or subtract?
Yes.
No, they're single parents. Okay, they don't have any kids. They're not single parents. They're not parents. And then our last step is gonna be to do what? Divide by 2. So v equals negative 3.
They give your child up for adoption.
Maybe.
Adoption.
Too bad you can't see who's all snapping you right now.
There's a
Tough.
lot. There probably is a lot. 'Cause I just like snapping everybody every 12 minutes.
Oh, so like pity snapping you back? You really don't have any friends?
Yeah.
Aw. Maybe if you close your mouth more, you might have more friends.
I'm just joking around, bro. So,
Okay, look at 6. What can we combine?
13 and 8.
The 13 and the 8. So what is negative 13 minus 8?
Negative 21. Jesus.
-5.
shut up.
5.
Negative 13 minus 8 is negative
5.
21.
It's negative 21. You guys are getting it.
-25.
You guys are talking. Negative.
Type in your calculator.
Minus-
Negative 13 minus 8.
Negative 21.
Like I said.
-21.
Oh, yeah.
Where you guys getting 5?
I'm so slow.
You guys get, how do you guys get 5?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, what's our step 2 say? To do what?
Add 21.
Yeah, 21. Okay, it says add or subtract the kids, so we're gonna say plus 21. Plus 21. I got 6x equals
30.
30.
Divide by
X equals
6.
X equals 5.
Equals 5.
Oh, got another snap.
She looking at
What was it?
I'm not gonna tell you, you're just gonna have to think about it.
Oh my god.
It was a good message too. I wish you could see it, but you can't. Yeah, I know. Okay, look at number 8. What can we combine?
The M and 10.
The M and 10 to give me what?
11.
11M. How did you get 11M?
There's a 1 in.
It's a 1 in front of there, and is it a positive or negative 1?
Positive.
Yeah, so there's really a plus 1M right here, okay? Now what?
Add 1.
Add 1 to both sides. So I got 11M equals negative 11. Okay, use your calculator. When you're doing negatives and positives, some of you guys are just... Okay, and then what's our last step going to be? Divide, perfect.
Miss Henny,
What?
the people on Zoom, do they gotta ask you for that?
No, I just got it figured out.
Thank you. I don't even know. How am I gonna know?
Aren't you what? Like, don't they gotta have their face on the screen?
No.
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 You
I
don't
think that
be
was
caring
in the
about
Zoom
that?
rules.
She's not that strict about like all these teachers. She's got tons.
You need to tell me, if I was on Zoom, I could just walk up and leave.
Yeah. Cause some of the other teachers.
I wouldn't,
they
but
have-
because-
If they're not listening and they're not doing what they're supposed to be, I can tell by your guys' work. I've been doing this for long enough. I can tell when people cheat, even you guys in class. I can tell when you've copied. And I can tell when you actually know what you're doing and you can do stuff in your head for the most part. But so if they don't watch it, they don't watch it. That's their education, not mine.
You don't understand.
Big facts.
It doesn't bother me if you work at McDonald's your whole life. I don't really care. Like, okay, look at 10. What can we combine?
8 and 1.
8 and 11. They give me what? 19 minus 8b equals 3. Okay, now what? Minus 19 from both sides. So I got negative 8b equals what? Negative 16. What's our last step? Divide. equals 2.
Two. Oh,
Perfect. No, good job. Okay, look at 12. What can we combine?
5 and a 1.
5 and 1.
The 5 and the 1 to give me what?
6.
6. So I got 9r plus 6 equals -3. What's going to be our next step?
You subtract by 6.
Subtract both sides by 6. -9. What's our last step?
Divide by 9, which gives you
Dividing by
One.
-1.
Somebody said it wrong.
-1.
-1.
I said -1.
You said
Come on now. I'm too smart for this.
I'm pretty sure you said 1.
I'm pretty sure
I didn't want to call you out, but
And you gotta be very.
how come you don't be coming to school what your brother does? Let's just throw it out there. Why do you
Alright,
keep
so-
missing school but your brother doesn't? You're twins for God's sakes. If
Let
one
me
of you guys are
explain
sick, both of you
things.
guys.
Let me explain things. Okay, so like Friday, my cousin like hurt his ankle pretty bad, and he stayed home, and I was with him, so I was like, screw it, might as well just stay with him. And then, you know, one day came around, and your boy was like tired, so
You just was like, oh, you need a mental health day. You should get. I feel like the kids should get so many mental health days a year. We get a free because then like people who really want perfect attendance. Like I feel like maybe you can miss like 2 days a year but still have a perfect attendance year because sometimes you just need. And then it kind of helps you train for your job too because your job you only get so many days off. You can't take. I can't take 60 days a year off. I only get so many. So it'd help you guys like save your days. But some people will miss either way. It wouldn't really matter. But 14. What can we combine?
2 and 14.
Huh?
2 and 14.
Oh yeah, you're right. Sorry.
Duh.
2 and 14g plus 16 equals 26. Now what?
I don't know if I did this.
Subtract.
Subtract 16.
On both sides.
Get 10.
Do we need to divide?
Nope.
No, you can kind
No,
of
we don't. What?
you can skip that step.
Wow.